All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Nigeria is poised to make a significant leap in its military capabilities by becoming the first nation to purchase 4 light combat helicopters, LCH, from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, through a soft credit arrangement. This development marks a milestone in international defense partnerships and highlights Nigeria's commitment to enhancing its aerial defense capabilities. Financial Express Online has reported previously officers from the Nigerian Army have completed their training on HAL's Dhruv helicopters at the Rotary Wing Academy. This training has been pivotal in preparing them for the advanced LCH. The discussions between HAL and Nigerian officials are nearing completion, with an agreement expected to be finalized shortly, confirmed sources in the defense and security establishment. The growing momentum in these negotiations reflects both HAL's strategic outreach and the Nigerian government's initiatives to secure advanced defense technology. The LCH, a variant of the Advanced Light Helicopter Dhruv, boasts an array of advanced features including stealth technology, armored protection systems, and crashworthy landing gear. These attributes are designed to enhance the helicopter's survivability in combat scenarios. It offers impressive agility, maneuverability, and an extended operational range, making it suitable for various roles such as combat search and rescue, CSAR, destruction of enemy air defenses, DED, and counterinsurgency operations. This helicopter excels in diverse environments, including high-altitude and jungle settings, and is effective against slow-moving aircraft and remotely piloted vehicles. Its design integrates state-of-the-art technologies that include a glass cockpit and composite airframe, reflecting a commitment to indigenous innovation and modern combat needs. The Indian Air Force, IAF, and Indian Army have already integrated LCHs into their fleets, with plans to acquire additional units in the future. Ongoing collaborations with the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and HAL aim to enhance the helicopter's weaponry and operational capabilities. The LCH has undergone rigorous testing in varied conditions, including at sea level, in desert regions, and in the harsh environment of Siachen. It was officially declared ready for production in February 2020. The Nigerian Army's interest in acquiring LCHs aligns with its broader strategy to bolster its firepower and counter-terrorism capabilities. The country is seeking approximately 12 twin-engine attack helicopters to support its military operations. Nigeria has evaluated several global manufacturers, including HAL, Airbus, and Turkey's TA. Among the contenders, HAL's LCH stands out for its versatility and proven performance. TA's T-129 attack helicopter, powered by LHTEC T-804 turboshaft engines, and Airbus's Tiger had, a multi-role attack helicopter designed for various combat scenarios, are also under consideration. Each of these options offers distinct advantages, reflecting the competitive nature of the global defense market. In addition to procuring new helicopters, HAL is committed to supporting the Nigerian Army through training programs. As Nigeria moves forward with its helicopter acquisition and training programs, it demonstrates a clear strategy to strengthen its defense capabilities and enhance its military effectiveness in the face of evolving security challenges.